Hey, now we're going to give a short introduction to tree sets. Tree sets are beautiful, they're quick, they're wonderful. We're going to use a tree set of info, which we've already written in the previous video. So the job of a tree set is to organize your stuff so that you can find it quickly. Tree set is a lot like an array list. Um, it has .add method, and then it has a .contains method. A tree set is intended to model a mathematical set. So it does not have a .get operation. If you need .get and .set, you should be looking for a tree map and not a tree set. So first thing I'm going to do is make a tree set. In order to use tree set, I need to import the Java util. So up at the top, import Java util. Now tree set should work. And now we're going to need some stuff to put in the tree set. And that means probably, making up some ID numbers and some names. I think I'm just going to make up ID numbers. Oops, tree set didn't say what it was supposed to have in it. I want to put infos in my tree set. Now everything should be happy. And so I'm going to put 1,000, a million items in my tree set. Info. And in my items, guess I will pick a random number between 1 and 5 million. That should get me enough that it doesn't matter what the name is. So I'm just trying to keep this simple. So there's my info and tree.add item. So now I have a million items in my tree set. And let's just go and print out the first 10 of them just for fun. So 0 while count. Well, let's see. The way I'm going to do the printout is in enhanced for loop. This is questionable as far as effectiveness, but hey, this will work. It's an excellent way to iterate through a tree set, and you get the items in the order that the tree set is arranged in from lowest to highest. So I'll print out my info and then add 1 to count. And then if count is greater than 10, break. So that should stop my loop. Hopefully only printing out 10 things. Give it a little run, let it go, and we'll check out what happens at the bottom of the screen. So I've got 8, 12, 15, 19, 20, 26, 33, 36, 38, 45, and 55. So you notice they're in ascending order, and they start near the bottom of the range. And I don't have any strings printing out because making the random string was too much effort. Okay. So now you've seen me make the tree set, which is just like making an array list. And you saw me add items to the tree set, just like adding items to an array list. And you saw me use the enhanced for loop to iterate through the tree set, just like going through an array list, except it doesn't go in the order that you add them. It goes in the internal ordering based on your info. Okay, and then last thing we should do is we should look for some items in the tree set, and this is where tree sets are really good. They're very efficient at looking up things. So let's see. So I'm going to look for 1,000 things in the tree set, and I guess the items I'm looking for are just another random item. Same thing. Let's see, whoops. So this is what I want. And let's see, we'll start my count at 0 again. And then if tree.contains want, increase the count by 1. And then down here, I can print it out. I found count out of 1,000 searches. So I'm expecting to be about 100 of 200 because we've got about 20% of the range covered. Oh, 182 out of 1,000. Okay, so that's good as far as I'm concerned. You would ordinarily only care about looking in a tree set if you wanted to find things quickly. So in another video, we can do some profiling of this to show you how fast it is relative to an array list. That's all for this one, though.